Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So our next video is related to MAC addresses. We have covered networking, internet and IP addresses in the previous video. So now we'll cover what are MAC addresses. Devices on a network will all have a physical network interface, which is a microchip board found on the device's motherboard. Device के motherboard पे एक microchip का board होगा, ठीक है? This network interface is assigned a unique address at the factory it was built at, that is MAC address. So this is a 12 character hexadecimal number that is used in computing to represent numbers that is split into twos and separated by a colon. Okay, these colons are considered separators. So the first 6 characters represent the company that made that network interface and the last is a unique number. जिसने वो network interface बनाया होगा उसका vendor का नाम होगा. For instance, this is for Intel and unique address of the network interface. However, an interesting thing with Mac is that they can be faked or spoofed in a process known as spoofing. This spoofing occurs when a network device pretends to identify as another using its MAC address. So when this occurs, it can often break poorly implemented security designs that assume that devices talking on a network are trustworthy. So take the following scenario. एक firewall को configure करा to allow any communication going to and from this MAC address of the administrator. If the device was spoofed, this MAC address, the firewall would now think that it is receiving information from that administrator when it isn't, right? So places such as cafes, coffee shops, and hotels alike often use MAC address control when they are using their guest or public Wi-Fi. The configuration could offer better service, that is a faster connection for a price, if you're willing to pay the fee per device. Interactive lab attached to this task has been made to replicate this scenario. Okay, let me just connect it to this site. Wait. See now, this is a free hotel Wi-Fi. This is a MAC address जो कि request कर रहा है site को. This is Bob is requesting site. Alice is also requesting site. Alice is getting connected and this is requesting site and ये public Wi-Fi के साथ connect होके spoofed है. Okay then. The interactive lab simulate a hotel Wi-Fi where you have to pay this service. You'll note that router is not allowing Bob's packet. Bob के packet are going to trash and is placing in the bin. But Alice का packet green है and it is going fine because she has paid for that Wi-Fi. Try changing Bob's MAC address to same as Alice to see what happens. Let's try doing it. अगर मैं बॉब का भी मैक एड्रेस एलिस के जैसे ही रख देती हूँ तो आई गेस now it has allowed you got on try hack me. Deploy this lab and proceed to answer the following question. What does the term IP stands for? It is Internet Protocol. What is each section of an IP called? It is octet. How many sections in digits does an IPv4 have? Sections in digits. 4 sections. What does MAC stands for? Media access control. Deploy this lab using view site button and spoof your MAC address to access that site. What is this flag? मतलब देखो हमने Alice का MAC address spoof कर लिया and now we have got access to that site though we didn't pay for it. Right. Moving on to the next. Ping is one of the most fundamental tools that is available to us. Ping uses ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, packets to determine the performance of a connection between devices. कि क्या वो connection exist करता है और वो reliable connection है भी या नहीं. The time taken for ICMP packet traveling between devices is measured by ping, such as the screenshot. इतना टाइम लगा इस पैकेट को ट्रैवल करने में. दिस मेजरिंग इज डन यूजिंग दिस इको पैकेट and this echo reply from the target device. Okay, so pings can be performed against devices on a network such as your home network or resources like websites. This tool can be easily used and comes installed on operating systems such as Linux and Windows, and the syntax is simply ping that IP or that website URL. You just have to write this. Let's see in action in the screenshot below. Here we are pinging a device that has this private address. Ping informs us that we have sent 6 ICMP packets, all of which were received with an average of this milliseconds. Okay, now that you're going to do same thing to ping this address on the deployable website in this task. Pinging the correct address will reveal a flag to answer this question. Okay, let's practice this. So ping send ping request. एक मिनट. Ping name or service. Acha, okay, I have to enter IP there. I was confused where to enter this IP. Yep. What protocol this ping use? ICMP? Internet control message protocol, right? Next, what is the syntax to ping this? So ping /c नहीं, simple ping 10.10.10.10. What flag do you get जब आपने इसे पिंग करा? I ping this server. Okay, then continue to your learning to land. Okay, then we have completed this room. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel too for more such videos, as we try to post videos every day at 1:30 AM IST timing. Also learn with me, solve these labs as we go through along, so that you also have a good understanding of the normal and basics of networking. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.